In this video, I will show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account very easily. Let's head straight to the settings by clicking this three stripes button at the top right corner right there, and then you can head on to settings and privacy. You can go ahead and click on that. After this, at the very top of this page, which is account center, you can go click on this. And after this, you want to head on to below account settings, which is personal details, below account, and above password and security, which is this one right here. I'm hovering. You can go on and click on this. Ignore my phone number. That is not my phone number. It's just a number that I'm using. You can go ahead and click on account ownership and control. From here, you can either decide to deactivate or delete your account permanently. Then you can go ahead and click on this, and you will be given two options right here to deactivate or to delete your account. I'm gonna head on and click to deactivate this account. To do this, you need to enter your password, which I'm gonna do. Well, it seems like that I forgot my own password, but if you want to deactivate, you just head on to enter your password and click continue, and then you will able to deactivate your account. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.